Hello with your national weather forecast as we take a look at what we're expecting for tomorrow. That's for Tuesday, the 12th of May. First to the synoptic map, and we can see a very dominant and slow moving high pressure system over southern parts of Australia. It will meet a dry and mostly sunny day across southeastern parts of the country, including for Tasmania, Victoria, inland New South Wales and southern parts of South Australia. Further north though, it is producing southeasterly winds with cloud and showers streaming onto the eastern seaboard, and you may notice it is a very similar weather pattern to what we did see across eastern Australia in late April, with a blocking high to the south, really stopping any cold fronts from sweeping over the southeast of the country. And so for eastern Australia, we are expecting very little change in the forecast through the week until the weekend, and that's when this high pressure system finally gets a bit of a move on. Across northern Australia, unseasonal humidity with showers and thunderstorms, and showers also dipping down into central Australia along this surface trough here. Out west, those warm conditions do continue in Western Australia, but late at night, we will see a weak trough approach the far southwest. That'll bring a few showers into Wednesday, but it will dive down towards the south and avoid completely the southeast of the country. So now state by state look, starting off with Queensland. And with southeasterly winds, we will see showers right along the coast, all the way from the Gold Coast up towards the far north of Cape York Peninsula. Broadly, rainfall totals in the range of about up to 5 millimetres, but we could see higher falls about the Cassowary coast through the day. Otherwise, with those southeasterly winds, it will be quite gusty. We do have strong wind warnings right along the eastern seaboard. Inland, we will see some cloud and showers gradually building, mostly for areas south of Mount Isa and west of Longreach, and places like Birdsville could see up to 15 millimetres of rain, and that's more than the whole average monthly May rainfall. Otherwise, maximum temperatures generally slightly cooler than average along the coast, but remaining warm inland. For Brisbane, a few showers with a top of 24 degrees. Showers also for Cairns with a top of 28. Now to New South Wales, you will see morning fog and cloud through the east of the state with showers right along the seaboard. You will see up to 5 millimetres in rainfall with high isolated falls possible about the mid-north coast and out towards the ranges, but with easterly winds coming on shore, maximum temperatures slightly below average for this time of year. It is a different story inland though. We are seeing dry skies and mild temperatures, a bit of high cloud building across the far northwest of the state, and there is a slight chance of a shower up there. For Canberra, possible morning fog and a slight chance of a shower from late morning with a top of 19 degrees. And for Sydney, cloudy with showers with a top of 23 degrees. To Victoria, we are under the influence of that high pressure system, so we'll see a bit of patchy fog in the morning south of the divide, but then that will lift to a mostly sunny day across the state, and with light easterly winds, maximum temperatures pushing up to 8 degrees above average. A bit of high cloud building in the west, but otherwise we are expecting a dry day right across Victoria. So for Melbourne, patchy morning fog, but a sunny afternoon with a top of 21 degrees, slightly warmer in Mildura with a top of 24. For Tasmania, we are also under the influence of the high pressure system there. A bit of patchy fog in the morning through inland areas, that will clear to a mostly sunny day, and maximum temperatures up to 5 to 6 degrees above average. And so reaching the teens right across the state. Hobart, partly cloudy, the top of 17 degrees, a little bit warmer further north, getting up to 19 degrees in Launceston after a pretty cool morning there. To South Australia, we will see some morning fog in the south, mainly about the Eyre Peninsula and about the Mount Lofty ranges. That will clear to a mostly sunny afternoon with light easterly winds, temperatures reaching the low to mid-20s. Further north though, we'll see some showers dripping down from the interior. Could get as far south as about the Flinders ranges, and there is a chance of a storm mostly north of about Moon, but temperatures there, again, quite cool for this time of year, and that rain will be unseasonal. For Adelaide, patchy morning fog clearing to a mostly sunny day with a top of 24 degrees. Now to Western Australia, we are seeing those gusty east to northeasterly winds pushing down across the state. So temperatures climbing up into the low to high, even high 20s, and pushing up into the 30s across the coast. And we will see high fire dangers across southwestern parts of the state. Now late at night, we will see this trough approach from the west. We could see a few offshore showers and thunderstorms that will sweep over into Wednesday right across the southwest land division, but really not make much of an impact across other parts of the wheat belt, and remaining quite warm across the Pilbara there. Finally, for northern Australia, we are seeing some showers pushing onto the eastern and northern part of the top end, but really remaining away from Darwin, and a few showers across interior parts of the Northern Territory, mostly south of about Daly Waters and down towards Tennant Creek and towards the South Australian border. Otherwise, for the Kimberley, a sunny day, temperatures reaching the mid-30s. For Darwin, we are expecting a mostly sunny day with a top of 34 degrees. That's your forecast for today. Stay up to date with the latest forecasts and information on our website and app. Follow us on social media, and as always, have a great day.